Hello lovely people and welcome back to Candy Kitchen. So today I'm going to give you a very simple recipe that will help you prepare pumpkin chapatis at home. So start by slicing your peeled and washed pumpkin into rough cuts. To that add water and let boil until completely cooked. Now sieve out the excess water and mash. You can use a blender, but if you have no blender, use the back of a fork to mash. And there we have our pumpkin nicely mashed. Now assemble all the ingredients needed for the dough. Check on my description below for all the ingredients you will need. Pour in the wheat flour into a bowl. Add all the dry ingredients, that is the sugar and salt, and mix evenly. Now make a well at the center of the flour. Pour in the pumpkin puree, warm water and oil, then start making the dough from the inside towards the outside. Some people use hot water, others use cold water, but I use warm water. I guess there are many ways to kill a rat, right? Continue adding the water slowly to avoid excessive water. Few more minutes to a perfect dough. And there we have our dough. So now we're going to cover with a cloth or foil for it to rest for not less than 15 minutes. 15 minutes are over. You can see how soft it is. Now I'm going to show you how to apply oil on the dough, and for this I have two methods. For method number one, this method is best if you're making few chapatis. If you're making chapatis for one or two, then you can consider using this method. So you're going to roll out the exact size of the chapati. Forgot my knife, and there we have it. Now apply oil around it. Make a small cut like this using the blunt side of the knife, or if you have a dough cutter you can use it. And then roll it into a circle like that. Okay, and there you have it. I'm going to do one more example. And that's it. So to our method number 2, this method is the best if you're preparing chapatis in large numbers. It saves you a lot of time. So roll out a large amount of the dough. Apply oil evenly. I'm using corn oil for this recipe. Cut into stripes according to the size you want for your chapatis, and then roll them like that nicely into circles. Yeah, and there you have it. You can see how nicely they look, and now cover them to rest. And now to our final rolling of the chapatis. Roll them out into a smooth circle. And to our final part of the preparation, cooking. So you can either choose to cook them directly with oil, or you can dry them first and then cook them later when you're done. You can see how nicely they look, the color, it's just awesome. Okay, enjoy the rest of the video. Tell me if the video was helpful at the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye.